In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make AI flashcards with Memo Copilot. Memo AI is designed to turn your study materials into active recall flashcards quickly. And one of its most helpful features is that the cards stay connected to the original source. That means when a flashcard is generated, it can include citations or visual references that point back to the exact page, section, or video timestamp where the information came from. This makes studying faster, but also much easier to verify. Before you begin, make sure you have access to a Memo AI account on the web, iOS, or Mac OS. Also, have your study material ready. Memo supports several input types, including PDFs, Word documents, PowerPoint slides, website links, YouTube URLs, and plain text notes. Depending on the size of your files and how much content you process, you may need the free tier or an active paid plan. To get started, open Memo AI in the app or in your browser and sign in. From the main dashboard, look for the option to create a new deck or a new workspace, usually located in the left sidebar. Click it, then give your deck a clear title based on the topic you're studying. A descriptive title helps keep your materials organized, especially if you're building multiple decks for different classes or chapters. Once your new deck is ready, go inside it and click Add Content or Upload Sources. At this stage, choose the format that matches your material. You can drag and drop files like PDFs, slides, or documents, paste a website or YouTube link, or paste raw lecture notes directly into the text area. After that, click Process Source, and Memo Copilot will begin indexing the material, including useful reference points like page numbers and timestamps. When your source has finished processing, open the Copilot or AI chat panel. You'll usually find this in the right sidebar or near the bottom action bar while viewing the document. In the prompt field, type a request for flashcards. You can keep it broad by asking for flashcards covering the main concepts and key terms in the document, or you can be more specific and request a certain number of question and answer